Hi. Do you remember Pappu from the movie Phir Hera Pheri, who took a loan of from kachra side? And we all know कि बिना सोचे समझे लोन लेने का नतीजा क्या था. But how would Pappu know whether he should take that loan or not? By understanding these two things clearly before taking loan. And not जब कोई राजू आपके पैसे 25 दिन में डबल करवाए या कोई बैंक आपको लोन लेने के लिए कन्विंस करे just to achieve their sales target. So two things to know whether you should take loan or not. Number 1. Categorizing a loan under a good debt or bad debt. And what is a good debt? Good loan is a loan that helps you in wealth creation. Everything else is a bad loan. Like businessmen and entrepreneurs such as Adani, Ambani, and even Elon Musk, who take loans to build and scale businesses and for wealth creation. A loan to expand business, good loan. An education loan to study in a top college that will boost your earning, good loan. And what is a bad loan? Any loan which takes money out of your pocket without creating any wealth or asset for you is a bad loan. A loan to buy a mobile phone, bad loan. A loan to invest in some shady paisa double scheme without any research, bad loan. Good debt or bad debt ke categorization ke baad, here comes the second thing. How do you repay the loan? You repay in EMIs. EMIs have two things, interest and principal. सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट रेट की तरफ नहीं बल्कि टेन्योर पर भी ध्यान रखें, एज लोन का टेन्योर जितना ज्यादा होगा उतना ही आपको टोटल इंटरेस्ट पे करना होगा. एंड यू नो व्हाट, इन इनिशियल ईयर्स EMI इज मैक्स लोडेड विद इंटरेस्ट कंपोनेंट एंड अ वेरी टाइनी अमाउंट गोज टुवर्ड्स प्रिंसिपल रीपेमेंट. सो अगर गुड लोन है, रीपे करने का प्लान भी गुड है, गुड, गो अहेड. बैड लोन विद सॉलिड रीपेमेंट प्लान, तुम्हारी मर्जी है. गुड लोन एंड नो आइडिया हाउ विल यू रीपे, कैसे करोगे? बैड लोन, नो रीपेमेंट प्लान, कर ही क्यों रहे हो भाई?
अरे मुझे चक्कर आने लग गया अब.
So keep these two things in mind before taking any kind of loan. And don't be like Pappu. You can ask all your queries in the comments below and we will surely answer. Happy investing.